Let's talk about a simpler, more direct approach to online marketing, one that actually works. Ever feel like you're working your tail off but getting absolutely zero leads? Yeah, it's a real thing. This is the marketer's dilemma. It's super frustrating, so let's break down why it happens.
These are the big roadblocks, right? Finding leads, tech overwhelm, it all just feels like way too much.
Okay, check out this idea. Instead of learning to fish, why not just go to the grocery store?
And that's the whole point of this system. It's designed to be your personal grocery store for leads.
So how does it all work?
Well, it's a done-for-you approach built on a really simple foundation.
It all kicks off with HBA, a solid company that offers a low-risk, turnkey business system.
And get this, the entry point is just $35. That's a super low-risk way to get started.
It's a simple two-step funnel. You get people in the door with that low-cost offer first.
And the setup? It's literally just 4 simple steps, so anyone can get started really fast.
But the big question is, where do these leads even come from? Well, you've got 2 main paths.
You can either get lead contacts sent to you directly or have a service send traffic right to your link.
Let's stick with the simple start. 5 leads a day. It's perfect for beginners, no tech skills needed.
Now, here's the really cool part. The system literally proves that it works as you're using it.
The lead source quotes a 7% response rate from people asking for more info. That's pretty solid.
These aren't just random names. They're real people who have already shown they're interested.
And the ultimate proof that the system works?
Well, you're here right now, aren't you?
By just showing up to this page, you kind of have to admit one thing. The system can get leads.
See how this just knocks down all those roadblocks? The leads, the pitching, the tech, it's all handled. The bottom line is simple. You get the leads, and the system does all the heavy lifting for you.
And you can even get your leads for free. Just refer 3 people and you're all set.
Remember, the goal here is to get you to the grocery store, not to spend months learning how to fish.
So what this really means for you is a simple, low-risk way to build a business right from home.
So, just imagine for a second, if marketing felt more like shopping, what could you actually achieve?